Hello everyone, this is Tim. If you pay attention to your group benefit package, you will notice that it comes with a basic life insurance. And if you're willing to go through medical, you are able to get bigger coverage, usually maximum 500,000. So most frequently asked questions are: 1. How is this different than if I buy it from a broker outside? 2. Is this group life insurance good? 3. Should I buy it? To compare the two, we have to start with insurance pricing. This is a curve of cost of insurance. As we are getting older every year, the premium increases every year too. This is not a straight line, it's a curve. You probably notice it's pretty flat in the beginning, but it gets very steep when we're getting older. And rightfully so, because the cost of insurance between age 30 or 35 is probably not going to be very different. But if you are between 70 or 75 in that 5 years, every year make a huge difference. Well, of course, we are closer to home. Now, all group benefits life insurance are yearly renewable term, YRT, meaning the premium is renewed every year. So you will notice that the premium is followed very closely to this cost of insurance curve, is increasing every year. Individual life insurance are priced very differently. It's taking the average of the term. Let's take a term 20 for example. This is how it works. Assuming you are age 40, insurance company will charge premium based on the average cost of the next 20 years. Now 20 years later, you are age 60. Insurance company have to renew your premium based on the following 20 years, and that will be between age 60 to 80. Let's not forget humans' life expectancy is roughly between 80 to 85. So when the probability of claim is almost 100%, you can imagine how expensive insurance premium need to be in order to be enough to pay the death benefit. Okay, so now let me answer the first question. What's the difference between group life insurance and individual life insurance? Group life insurance is usually cheaper when you are younger, but it will be more expensive when you are a little older. Usually, when people are reach age 50 or 55, they will cancel the group life because it really become too expensive. And that brings to the second question: is this good? Well, group life insurance has the following shortcomings. 1. Not portable. So when you leave the current employer, now you will lose the coverage. When you start working for another employer, you have to apply it again, and now with a higher premium because by then you will be a couple years older. 2. Even if you stay in the same employer all the way until you retire, all the group life insurance have a hard stop at the age of 65 or diminishing until age 70, which means by the time you retire, you will still lose the coverage anyway. 3. Capped maximum. Group life insurance usually cover 1 to 2 times of your salary with the option to increase maximum $500,000. $500,000 in today's world with a high mortgage and high expense of living standard is not enough. It's barely enough to cover your mortgage, which will leave the surviving spouse will still have to work full-time and looking after children at the same time. That's not realistic. In today's world, with a dual income, young family, middle class working in Greater Toronto area, you should have about $1 million to be sufficient to cover all the insurance needs. Final question, should I buy it? My suggestion is yes, but treat it as part of your overall family plan. My suggestion is to buy a first $500,000 from a life insurance agent, a personal plan as a backbone. And then, but because group insurance is cheaper when you are young, so it's not a bad idea to buy another $500,000 from group. Then one day when you either leave the employer, between job or retire, you will not expose your family into too much risk. I hope today's video is helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you have any questions about insurance, please put on the comment below. I'm more than happy to answer them for you. Until next time.